Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Foodi DZ401 lid won't lock or seal properly? Let's fix it right away. No filler. First, check if the lid is aligned correctly. The locking mechanism only works when the lid is placed in the proper position. Rotate the lid gently until you hear a click indicating it's securely locked. Next, inspect the gasket or sealing ring for damage or misalignment. A worn out or improperly seated gasket can prevent the lid from sealing properly. Remove the gasket, clean it thoroughly, and reinstall it, ensuring it's snug in the groove. After that, look for debris or food particles in the locking mechanism or around the rim of the unit. Crumbs, grease, or residue can block the lid from closing securely. Use a soft damp cloth to clean these areas carefully. If the lid still won't lock, check the hinge or latch for obstructions or damage. A bent hinge or stuck latch can interfere with the locking process. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to safely inspect and adjust these components. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the locking mechanism or internal sensors. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for assistance. And there you go, your Ninja Foodi lid should now lock and seal properly. If these steps don't work, reach out to customer support for further help. We've left the links for customer support and the user manual in the description of this video.